Hello everyone, it's Songlin here. Welcome back to my kitchen. Today we are making zucchini pasta with pesto. I love regular pasta, but it's so high in carbohydrates, I slip straight into a food coma after eating every time. So today I am showing you a lighter alternative, which is zucchini pasta. It's very simple to make, very delicious, and it pairs exceptionally well with pesto. Here's everything you need, and as always, the list of ingredients and amount will be in the description box below. Let's get cooking. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 Celsius. Let's make some basil pesto. First, toast some pine nuts in a pan on medium-low heat for about 3 minutes. You want to shake your pan every 30 seconds or so because pine nuts can burn very easily. Once they're done, set aside to cool a little bit and then use a mortar and pestle to grind them into a fine paste. I'm taking the traditional approach today, but you can certainly use a food processor. Throw in 1 peeled garlic clove and pound it until it gets fully incorporated into the paste. Basil goes in and
Hulk. Smash.
that was my favorite part of the first Avengers movie. Alright, moving on. The goal here is to break down the basil leaves into tiny pieces. Adding in some coarse sea salt will definitely help you get there faster. Shred in the Parmigiano-Reggiano cheese and olive oil. Stir until everything is mixed together and turns into a creamy and luxurious looking sauce. Season with salt to your liking and then set it aside. Next, the zucchini pasta. Cut off both ends of the zucchinis and then use a spiralizer to turn them into noodles. Don't forget to cut the noodles into shorter strands unless you're planning to finish the whole plate in one bite. I got this spiralizer about 2 years ago because I make zucchini pasta a lot. A hand spiralizer would be a cheaper option, or you can use a knife to cut them lengthwise into thin strips. Place the noodles onto one large baking sheet lined with parchment paper and try your best to spread them out into just one thin layer. Bake for 15 minutes and when the timer goes off, take it out immediately. You can cook your zucchini pasta on a stovetop as well, and I will give you more information about that in the description box below. Mix the zucchini pasta and the pesto sauce together, make sure the noodles are evenly coated, and enjoy. This vegetable-based pasta is so much lower in both carbs and calories, plus you get all the vitamins, potassium, and antioxidants. And the most important thing is, it is delicious. I hope you enjoyed this video. Comment down below if you have any questions and subscribe so you won't miss any of my future videos. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in my next video. Bye!